Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the dynamic duo of digital gold, Bitcoin and Litecoin. First up, meet Bitcoin, the OG of cryptocurrencies. Back in 2009, an enigmatic genius named Satoshi Nakamoto dropped a white paper that changed the game forever. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized blockchain, serving as both a store of value and a medium of exchange. But wait, here comes Litecoin. Created by the brilliant Charlie Lee, it's the first ever altcoin. Born from a Bitcoin fork in 2011, Litecoin aimed to fix some of Bitcoin's quirks. Think of it as Bitcoin's nimble sibling. Let's break it down. Similarities. Both are decentralized, usable for transactions, and have finite supplies. Differences. Litecoin zooms past Bitcoin in transaction speed. Litecoin's network handles more transactions per second. Mining styles. Litecoin's script algorithm versus Bitcoin's SHA-256. Market cap. Bitcoin wears the crown, while Litecoin is the OG altcoin. So, which side are you on? Team Bitcoin or Team Litecoin? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.